All right, I'm not sure of the exact timing on this, but I know it's done. Pavel Buchnevich has been extended by the New York Rangers 2 years at a total of $6.5 million. So we can start debating about whether or not the Rangers dump other money off in order to keep everything together. I don't see any kind of a sign and trade coming along with this. It's a decent trade, decent length. It's one of those ones people might find boring because there's really nothing to pull apart with this one. It's just a guy coming around and saying, "All right, well, I'll sign," and so it gets done. I'm glad it's getting done because I'm going to be honest. There's been a lot of talk about whether or not they're going to trade Buchnevich. I like Buchnevich. I think if they trade him, I think that's a mistake. I think that if they trade him, I think that's just an absolutely huge mistake on their part. And I think there's potentially 25, 30 goals in there for him this year. The Rangers have a lot of good, exciting young forwards. If they can put it all together, if Panarin gives them that added je ne sais quoi, and if, for instance, I don't know, say Henrik Lundqvist ends up being Henrik Lundqvist again, because he did have an off year this past season. If he can get back up to that next level, and or Georgiev or one of the other young goalies steps in, be very interesting to see what the Rangers do this year. But I'm glad they're keeping Buchnevich. He's not a guy that I thought that they should have been looking to trade. I didn't think that they would get probably enough value back for him if they traded him. And this contract is perfectly fine. Because again, if he becomes that 30 goal scorer, if he takes that next step, this contract's going to look like a bargain. And with only 2 years, this is part of what I like with these contracts. With only a 2-year contract, it's not a huge risk. It's not a big deal. It's not something that if he has a bad season, you're looking going, oh God, we got 4 more years left. You're looking going, okay, well, we got 1 more year left. We might be able to find somebody to dump him off on. So we'll see what happens. Let me know your thoughts, as always, in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you're browsing your way through, you just happened upon this video. And there were other signing things that went on today. I'm saving those for likely a news video tomorrow morning. So look for those. Keep your eyes open. But between now and then, thank you guys so much for all your support. I'll talk to you again soon.